It's Thursday, November 16. In the headlines, government looking at harsher penalties for cybercrime. In business news, gas prices and diesel prices down by $4.50. Regionally, U.S. investing funds to help with climate change effects in the Caribbean. Internationally, Israel has allowed a single truck of diesel to enter Gaza. And in sports, Jamaican sprint star Elaine Thompson-Herah searching for a coach. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. The government is moving to introduce harsher penalties for cybercrimes, especially bomb threats and other disruptive online illegal activities. The move follows the recent spate of bomb threats at several of the country's institutions, including schools, courts, and hospitals. Addressing Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang said Jamaica's legislative framework is being examined to strengthen the government's crime-fighting strategy.
Of course, we'll have to look at the legislative framework because currently I'm told the primary legislation we can charge the individuals when we find them is on the public mischief. The activities certainly deserve more severe penalties, and we'll have to examine that as we go forward. For example, not only are we disrupting the entire education system, putting children at risk, disrupting the economy. Kingston was one of the institutions that was threatened, I think, on Monday, and then subsequent to that, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation and the Commercial Shopping Center in New Kingston. All of those are major disruption to the lives of Jamaicans and provide significant threat risk.
In addition to procuring more bomb-sniffing dogs, he says the authorities will have to continue training and sensitizing institutions.
Schools, hospitals, courts, and commercial and public institutions who may be recipients of such threats to ensure that the response can be proportionate, mature and sober, while at the same time ensuring some level of confidence in their operation.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says the police are committed to ensuring that those involved are brought to justice.
These persons who we believe are quite savvy in the cyber world and in our interaction with our international partners, they have also indicated that these individuals are not just ordinary people. Some of the information that we have, we cannot disclose, but what I will say to the public, we are committed to ensure that those persons who are responsible will be brought to justice. We are doing some local leads, as I indicated.
DCP Bailey noted that the methods used to issue the threats were via the Instagram platform, emails, and telephone calls. The aesthetics of Seaview Drive in St. Thomas is about to get an upgrade. $2 million have been set aside to remove zinc fences along the roadway. Member of Parliament for the area, Dr. Michelle Charles, made the disclosure during her contribution to the 2023-2024 State of the Constituency debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday.
They have also approved a pocket park in Erie Castle at the cost of $2 million. Madam Speaker, green spaces are important to us as a government, and I must inform the nation that Rudolph Elder Park will be upgraded very soon as well. The ministry is in process of finalizing critical elements as it relates to the park upgrade project. We are elevating in the light.
Seaview Drive is a critical roadway that leads to the licensed fishing village and Paul Bogle Training Center. The project is being done through the Urban Renewal and Development branch of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. The Kingston Public Hospital has received $8,000 worth of medical supplies from the government of the Republic of Korea. The items, which include a Medline XL wheelchair, a Medline roll stand with large basket, adult cuff, a hospital bed with 3-function manual and mattress, were handed over at the hospital's North Street location in Kingston this week. Charge d'Affaires in the Embassy of the Republic of Korea, His Excellency Kim Jin-wook, says that such donations are vital in strengthening and alleviating some of the challenges in the healthcare sector. President of the Korean International Cooperation Agency Alumni Association Jamaica chapter, Andre Lindsay, says the donation was made under the entity's United for Health, strengthening the Jamaica Health Infrastructure Project. He says that similar presentations will be made to the Old Harbour Health Centre and the University of the West Indies Health Clinic. We end the local segment with a weather report. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica says a broad trough currently across the southwestern Caribbean Sea is drifting towards Jamaica. Additionally, this system has some potential for further development, and there is now a 40% chance for the formation of a tropical depression during the latter part of this week. Should this occur, it is likely that this would increase the chance of impact over Jamaica. Based on some models, this system is expected to move northeastward towards Jamaica on Thursday and across the island on Friday. The forecast is for cloudy conditions with widespread showers and thunderstorms, which could be heavy at times with occasional gusty winds to affect most parishes, especially central and eastern parishes, starting late tonight and continuing through to Saturday morning. Fishers and other marine interests should exercise extreme caution, especially in the south coast, as sea conditions will deteriorate due to showers, thunderstorms and gusty winds. The Meteorological Service will continue to closely monitor this system. In the business report, motorists will pay less